Now if I want to add add-ons, I will click on my menu, then this green button that says add-ons, click on it, then click on create new, give the name extra cheese for example, and the price 2 dirhams. Now I can assign this particular add-on to a specific product, or I can assign it to a category. So if I assign it to a category, for example hot dogs, it will appear on all the products that come under hot dog. To assign it to a hot dog, I will select the category from here, then save. Now as you can see, it will only appear in the hot dogs. I will delete this one. Yes, it's deleted. Now as you can see, it will only appear in hot dogs, it won't appear in drinks for example. Now if I only want to assign it to a particular product, I will create one extra ice, then water. I have assigned it to water, so it will only come under water, it won't come under any other product.